Is Allie coming to your house?
Sometimes they eventually maybe.
Well, you.
I have to pick you up. And I'm like, okay, then never mind. He's like, okay, thank you. And I'm like, okay. I get mad all the time. I don't want to bother them.
What is happening?
I'm messaging my mom.
You're all silent.
No, don't do that, you know. It's too late. I already did it. See, he just said, okay, thanks. So I don't know if he's like coming to get me and not coming to pick me up tomorrow, or if he's not coming at all. And I don't want to bother him and ask. Wait, did you tell him? Tell him what? Well, we can drop him off. No, he's completely. And he just said, okay, thanks. So I don't know if he's coming to pick me up and take me over there and not pick me up tomorrow, or if he's just not coming at all. Sounds like he's not. He said thank you to your never mind. Yeah, but he said pick you up, so I don't know if he means like tomorrow or what. I asked him to ship him all the time, and I don't have any way to pay him back, so. I don't like making people angry.
That's deep.